Hey, do you go into similar situation while handling your projects? Do you get trapped like this while handling your projects and you get stressed out? Do you get dreams and anxiety on these issues on projects like cash flow, quality issues, customer complaints, and many more? Did you know many projects fail due to ineffective project manager and lack of project management practices on project? What is the global project management landscape? 11.4% of investment is wasted because of poor performance of the project. And as per KPM survey, in US, every $1 billion invested in projects, $112 million is wasted due to poor project management practices. Why US? Let's look at our own example. Worldly banner and ceiling. Estimated completion 5 years. Actual completion 10 years. Estimated cost 6 billion INR. Actual completion cost 16.6 billion INR. As per study conducted by PMI, India needs 4 lakh competent project managers to handle the kind of growth which India is going to have. When you look at the upskilling management, one of the survey conducted, project management is rated the 4th upskilling area where people are investing themselves. I am Ejaz Kazi with 22 plus years of experience in project management. I am the certified project management professional. Do you want to become efficient, effective, and impactful project manager? There are 3 secrets which I am going to reveal. Secret number 1, how to become an effective project manager by managing communication, managing stakeholders, avoid stressful and firefighting situation always on the project. Secret number 2, how to be an efficient project manager by controlling scope, cost, time, and delivering the project with desired quality. Secret number 3, how to become an impactful project manager by knowing project management is more art than science. Join me in my WhatsApp group to know more. Click the link below and register. Thank you very much.